Greetings, my yokai allies. I am Robonyan, yokai robot from the future. That's who we're drawing tonight, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Robonyan from Yokai Watch 3. Robonyan is this robotic yokai cat. Basically, this guy is an evolved form of Jibanyan. And instead of Paws of Fury, his signature move is Rocket Punch. This guy is capable of many capabilities. He's also equipped with this Choco Bar factory that allows him to create Choco Bars at will. With 85% cacao only. And his batteries can be recharged with an easy house appliance outlet, but it uses up a lot of electricity. He can stop a car at will. He can transform into other vehicles as well. He can cook sweet potatoes. He can create wormholes. And he can cook stuff. I don't know why I didn't decide to draw him earlier. Also, this guy can fly. He can change his voice at will. He's like Terminator. Telling you, Japan has a lot of weird stuff. But you know, anime, it's never gonna stop evolving. I should use Rocket Punch one of these days. And finished. That's how you draw Robonyan, yokai from the future. There are lots of stuff Robonyan can do. Another thing about Robonyan, this guy can evolve into Robonyan F, then Robonyan 28, and finally, Ultimate Robonyan. You can watch, and also Terminator. You can watch more about these real soon. That's how you draw Robonyan. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what yokai you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night. And until next time, Rocket Punch, and I'll be back. Oh yeah, and before we go, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. Robonyan, even though he's from the future, he has his own yokai medal. Yeah, I never expected it to look like that. And it's really interesting as well. These are all the medals I have on Robonyan. Here's the Model 0 medal. Let's see, what else? And of course I have Robonyan F. Right here. These are all the Robonyan forms that I've drawn up and That's all of them. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night. I'll be back.